Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys what you can do if your Discord isn't detecting any games that you're playing right now. So go to user settings, scroll down under activity settings, go to registered games. And as you can see, these are all the games that are automatically registered. So when I play it, it's just going to be on my activity status. But for instance, I want to add in like CapCut. You can also add that application in. You can add game. And if you select that, you can see that I'm playing CapCut, which I'm not, but that's where you can find it. And if you want to delete it, just simply select this button. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. I think I said that already. But if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.